Bad timing. Whatever. Ow! It hurts. What the hell? Welcome back to the beach. Saturday, lunchtime. Today is just go 1 hour or 10k. What comes earlier? Probably at a pace of like 5 minutes and 30 seconds per k tempo. Very humid today. Probably like 27 degrees still. I mean, we have mid of November, crazy. You cannot imagine how much I wish for colder weather. And it's not windy at all. I mean, nothing is moving. Alright, go. You haven't eaten anything yet for today, and I mean, it's lunch time already. So no breakfast. Alright. So 5 minutes, almost up. Alright, update. Just a U-turn. Calm pace, 5 minutes, 30 seconds per k. And as you can hear, I'm already out of breath. So it's not conversational pace anymore. So that's good. That's what we want. All right. Let's move on. It's quite unusual for me though to run during lunchtime. Focus on execution, and then at the end, let's see how we performed. All right, 2k in the books. Current pace 5 minutes 30 seconds per k. Time, well, including the warm-up k, 12 minutes. Heart rate between 150 and 155. What is just the beginning of heart rate zone 3. I have to admit, very humid. I'm quite exhausted already. But I think just the beginning. All right, let's go. Ah, come on. It's already 20% in the books. Fast, feels fast. All right, let's go. Let's move on.
I knew there's something in the background going on, but I really didn't expect that to happen.
Look at that. Feels good. Oh, it's refreshing. So let's hope for the best. That will give us a little boost.
Well, at that moment, I really hoped for a little boost and the rain to cool me down. But because I was running into the other direction, I didn't really realize what was going on in the background. So, but when I did my U-turn, then I saw the chaos, and I wasn't really mentally prepared for it, but it was kind of fun, and it turned out to be the craziest or rainiest run ever.
Can you see that? I know you cannot see anything. Exactly. This is how dense the rain is. And I told you it was so humid, and now we get everything back. Ah, come on, let's get it done somehow. Now I feel the extra boost. Come on.
I really didn't know that rain can hurt that much, but because the wind came from the direction we ran into, it really hurt.
And those drops hurt. Cannot really open my eyes to see where I'm running. Ow! Jesus! Alright. Come on.
However, I really enjoyed running in the rain today, and it was probably also a good rehearsal, because you never know what can happen at race day. Well, so better be prepared for it.
Oh, Jesus. Bad timing.
part, I realized how difficult it was to keep on breathing like normally, because what you see in the following is not me drawing, it was just the rainwater running down my face. So yeah.
Alright, seems like it's done in a bit. I'll make a drinking break. It's hard to estimate the pace that I run against the wind, that you have to lean against, and so we ended up at like 5 minutes and 15 seconds per K, that kind of pace, way too fast, and we still have like 4K to go. But you know what? Still, let's do it. Come on! Come on! Just 4K! Ah, come on! Sorry! Let's go! Okay, at least we go with the wind now. Looks brighter to me. There in the background. Alright, so now we have that cooling effect. Alright, come on. Let's get it done somehow. Let's grind through it. No big deal. 6.2K in the books. Alright. 5 minutes 45 seconds per K. Just to calm down a bit until 7K mark. Let's do this then. You cannot choose the weather, the race day anyway, so I take it. I just simply take it and don't even think about it. Alright, 7K mark, turn. Alright, all good. I mean, now I increase the pace. I go like 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Today I can, now at least, hit the speed button. The rain is gone. I mean, it's still raining, but it's not pouring down anymore. But yeah, against the wind now. Have to fight a bit. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Our current pace per K, 41 minutes into the run. 7.3K. All good. Come on. 2.5 to go about. Shouldn't be a big deal. Let's do it.
Then I saw how intense the rain must have been. Really crazy.
I'll just stop and show you that. I mean, now you understand how much it was raining. It goes all through the street, like underneath the street, and right into the ocean. And I mean, it just happened like 10 minutes ago, right? So crazy stuff. Yo, all good, guys. All good. You know what? Sorry for that break, but I mean, it's live, right? So we go upstairs now, resume, and enjoy the last 2.5K. All right, let's go. Should be a rainbow. Searching. No, not yet. Okay, almost there. 8K mark. 2 to go. Let's switch off the brain and let's do it. Let's just do it. Alright. Easy. Come on. Now I can hear the thunder in the background. I think we are quite lucky that, or we've been quite lucky. Probably just stretched us. I mean, honestly, it looked quite dark when I watched the clouds like 15 minutes ago. But yeah, all good now.
I really enjoyed that run, and I think because it was a tempo run, the rain really didn't stop us from grinding through it and get the best out of it.
Now I can feel it again. A bit too fast, but I mean, come on. Just the last K now. You do the U-turn and then you can smell the finish line. Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go. 400 meters to go, one lap in the stadium. Should be fine, should be fine. However, I feel kind of depleted now, like 100% depleted. Nothing left at at a pace of 5 minutes 10 seconds per K. Heart rate zone for 170 beats and a bit higher. Oh yeah, oh yeah, come on. 250 to go. Let's get it done, come on. See you at the end, guys. $150 to go. Oh good. Come on, let's take the bottle. Let's go home, guys. Come on. It feels good. You know what? In the books. Come on. Come on. I think we deserve a nice, easy peasy, slow pace. Rest of today. 10K in the books. Oh yeah, I know that. Holy. Mission complete. Recovery heart rate. Let's check that one out. Holy mother. Oh. Yeah. Jesus.
Actually, that run felt so rewarding, and despite the rain, chaos, I mean, yeah, we performed quite well, and I was happy that I went through it.
Recovery heart rate after the run, 64 beats. That's good. Alright, let's cross the street. Quite dangerous today. I don't know, because it's loud and I don't hear the cars approaching from both sides. So yeah, let's try to cross the street somehow. And that was the case now. Let's go home. Amazing stuff. 10K tempo run in the books. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I really enjoyed it, even though it was tough and the weather condition was a bit, you know, that kind of thing. But at the end, now I feel good. Feels rewarding, definitely. Enjoy now the rest of the day, guys. If you want to check out not only today's run but all the other runs that we do here at the beach, feel free and hit the link in the description. Follow me on Strava, leave a request, and you're in. Right, guys, that's all I have for today. Wherever you run safe and enjoy a run. Take care, guys.